listening.
Yes, you've
Both sides have their own say.
How do you believe this? I'm asking a very direct question to all the media. Godi media as well as non-Godi media. You all have been testament, you all have been witnesses to this from day one. How do you buy the government's rubbish? How are you asking us questions that you should be asking the government? We have been standing here from day one. Since the protests which took place, none of the media reported it. I am thankful to Generation Z and to the protesters that they did not rely on Godi media, that they had their own social media and electronic media so that India could see what actually happened. And after that, the Home Minister is responsible for Delhi Police, the Home Minister is responsible for the CRPF RAF. All we want is a yes or no. We want a simple statement from the Home Minister in Parliament telling us who was responsible for the brutalities. That's all we want. We do not want a 2-hour lecture from the Home Minister telling us about how Nehru was responsible and how Indira Gandhi did the emergency. We want a simple statement. Please come and make the statement. Sir, were you responsible? And if you were not responsible, who was responsible? And second is, they claim to be a Sarkar for Hindus. They only do Hindu-Muslim in this country. The Ram Mandir was announced by the PM inside Parliament. The MHA did the Gazette notification for the trust, for the members of the trust. Today, when hundreds of crores have been looted, these are Hindus' money, this is not Muslim money. Hindu money, Hindu faith has been looted in the Ram Mandir. Why can you not allow a debate? What can the Parliamentary Affairs Minister possibly say and what can you possibly believe? The truth is there for everyone to see. And the opposition is drawing the lines. The government has to listen.
Comments on FCRA bill?
We are very simple on the FCRA bill. We want a complete withdrawal of the FCRA bill. The FCRA bill is only a method by which the government is going to choke every non-RSS institution in this country. The RSS is not even registered. It's supposed to be an NGO. Who accounts for how many thousands of crores come into the RSS? Anything that is non-RSS. If you are RSS, you have chutti. If you are non-RSS, every single NGO, charitable organization in this country, Christian faith organizations, Muslim organizations, minority organizations are going to have their license cancelled, as we have seen, are going to have their assets confiscated and are going to be absolutely choked. So this is going to pave the way for a complete RSS. Already there is RSS domination that will further cement it.